Aussie Garage, and following on from the pickup of the new Tesla Model Y Juniper the other week, it's time to start some modifications. We're going to start pretty simple today. This is a little interior modification from Hansshow. If you've had a Tesla, well, you probably know of Hansshow already. They're a really big company that makes a lot of aftermarket parts. Have a look in the description and comments below. I'll put a link to this product and hopefully a coupon code as well. But what we have here is an interior product for your Tesla Model Y Juniper. And what it is a combination of an interior light combined with a couple of extendable USB cables and a couple of extra USB ports. Now you might be wondering, well, clearly there's already a wireless charger in my Tesla Model Y, so why do I need a cable charger? You can probably see from the picture here, the wireless charger that's on the Tesla, it's kind of far out of view. So yeah, you can put your phone there to charge, but there's no way you can look at what's on the phone or use it. If you have this device here, you can plug your phone in. Your passenger, not the driver, your passenger can still use the phone while it's charging, and these retractable cables will just slide back into the box when you're not using it. So yeah, pretty nifty, useful little device. The other thing that it's got is an interior light, an RGB light, and that should match up nicely with the interior light strip which goes around the interior of your Tesla Model Y. So yeah, a little bit of bling, why not? One more. So, what is in the box? Well packaged. We've got a little instruction book here. We've got the interior mod yourself. So, to peel or unpeel? I don't know. I guess let's unpeel it. So satisfying. There we are. So we have the interior light that'll sit in your dashboard, in your center console, like that. We've got a built-in 12-volt connector that will plug into the 12-volt socket in the armrest in the center console. And we've got a couple of retractable cables here. So you might be able to see, or not, I'm going to pull one out. Oh, that's really long. Didn't think it was going to be that long. Good. That is a USB-C plug. In you go. And the other one, good old lightning connector. Let me try. Of course it will. In addition to that, we've got a couple of extra USB ports. We've got a USB-A there. We've got a USB-C. And then there's a little button right there in the middle. So far, yeah, I'm really impressed with the build quality. It's rock solid. Let's put it in the car, see how well it works. So, as we can see, and we talked about it before, we've got the expandable or the retractable cables, which are really clever little things because you're not going to lose them and they all go back into place when you want them to. Just like that. How we're going to install it, you can see we've got the plug that goes into the 12-volt socket, which, trust me, is all the way down the bottom of this little container cubby hole here. It is quite deep. So let's see if we can put that in first. Ooh, look at him light up. Cute. Now, how do we get it in that area there? Oh, if we put it in diagonally, then that should slot in very nicely. That's quite neat, actually. So there is a button, where is it? There. I believe that might do something when we push on it. Ah, white, off, different color. If you read the manual, you can probably figure out that this does cycle through different colors. And you can get this to match the light that goes around the trim of your Model Y as well. So yeah, quite nice. Again, looking at how it all works, you can plug in your own USB-A, your own USB-C. You can use your USB-C cable, which is retractable, built in there, or the lightning cable, which is there too. It is in addition to your wireless charging pad, which you have there, so you can charge up a whole bunch of things with this little device. And yeah, really quick and easy to install. That took no time at all and works really nicely. I think if you want one of these for your Model Y, just click on the link I'll put in the description below. There'll be a link to the actual product here and hopefully a discount code which I'll find on the website too to provide for you. My name's Tim from Bozzy Garage. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will be back with more Tesla accessories for you.